Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 28th of December. It's a Monday. In this edition of the International Affairs, I'm going to talk to you about the elections in the Central African Republics. Central African Republics, or CAR, is one of the poorest countries in the world. It is a landlocked country, one of the 49 landlocked countries in the world. Uh, it has no access to the sea. It is very, very poor. Its land mass is about the same as Pakistan. It's very sparsely populated. There has been an ongoing civil war in the country in which Muslim militias have fought Christian militias. This area is a former French colony, and the French still wield sizable influence in this country. Uh, you can gauge the poverty of the country from the fact that there are only uh, roads which are equivalent to 3% of the country's area. Uh, People are poor, people are fighting for scarce resources, and foreign powers still are extracting minerals from this dirt poor country. The French have a very sizable uh, influence over here. It is a francophone country, and the elections which are being held have witnessed sporadic violence. Before the elections, there was some rumors that there is going to be a coup to remove the incumbent president, whose name is Faustin Archange Touadera. So the name is French sounding. He's the front runner in the elections. Uh, the previous incumbent has been barred by the United Nations, sanctioned by the United Nations. The country has uh, again a very sizable presence of UN peacekeeping forces. The mission here is called MINUSCA, and within these peacekeepers, there is a Pakistani presence. Again, a large Pakistani presence. Pakistani peacekeepers have done a wonderful job. They have remained neutral. They have not taken any sides. But the area is a powder keg. When there were rumors of the coup, hundreds of Russian and Rwandan soldiers came into the country. Rwandans are incidentally again one of the major peacekeeping providers in CAR. And as you may recall, in the 90s, Rwanda itself was a witness of a large-scale massacre where when Hutus and Tutsis killed each other by the scores, and the UN peacekeepers could not do anything because the United Nations did not respond to the telegram sent by the commanding general of the UN peacekeepers in Rwanda. So, in Africa, there are a number of UN peacekeeping missions. Uh, the problem in Africa is basically that the former colonial masters have not left this continent alone, which is resource rich, or rather, it is resource cursed. They want their presence over here, and they want chaos to continue. UN peacekeepers can do little. They can just bring about normality. They can be involved in peace building. They can also be involved, and I know Pakistan peacekeepers have been involved in nation building tasks also. Uh, but CAR's Central African Republic CAR needs a lot of attention. It has to come back to normality, and for that, the United Nations and its members have to put in political will to restrict or eliminate foreign involvement and let this country develop. Many Central African Republic citizens want this elections to be a game changer. I would be expecting your response. Thank you very much for listening to me.